Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll guide you on how to create role categories and organize them in Discord. It's a great way to keep your server neat and organized. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe and check out our videos for more tutorials. So let's dive right in. First, go to the top left of the server and click on the server name. Then click on server settings. Next, on the left side, navigate to Roles, select one of the roles, and in Display, scroll down and make sure Display Role Members Separately is switched on. Repeat this for each role. Once done, save the changes. Now you need to arrange the roles in the desired order on the left side. Simply drag and drop them to reorder them as you want. After arranging them, save the changes. Now when you close off, and go to the member list on the left, you'll see the categories and dividers neatly organized. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.